Shifting the focus from victim mindset to one of empowerment allows you to take control of your circumstances.
Take control of your career and compensation right now. It's your 5-minute career hack.
Welcome back to another empowering episode on our journey towards self-awareness and authenticity. And this week, we are going to dive even deeper into our reflection practice while still building on the 4 pillars of your self-awareness P&L. And that's reflection, mindfulness, emotional intelligence, and self-compassion. And as we navigate the remainder of this series, we're going to stay grounded right there in those 4 elements. Now, in our pursuit of self-awareness, it's natural for us to turn our attention to what we perceive as our personal flaws or the areas where we need to improve. We were trained that way, not only at work, but in our lives as well. But as I told you last week, you are not a problem to solve. This is about embracing our authentic selves and unmasking the brilliance of our true identity. And that's as lifers and professional. So this week's hacks will explore the power of positive prompts in our journaling practice. The prompts I discuss are going to guide us to reflect on our behaviors and replace self-criticism with self-compassion. So instead of starting with negative questions that bring us down, I'm going to walk through some positive, action-oriented questions that empower us to grow and improve. And I'm going to hit you with some heavy negative prompts that we see too many of our clients begin with, and we have to reframe these questions and use these prompts so, again, we can move into action. So poor question 1, why can I be as successful as others? Here's the positive question. What unique strengths and talents do I possess that I can leverage to create my own definition of success? By recognizing and embracing your own unique strengths and talents, you define success on your own terms. It's not about comparing yourselves to others, but it's about discovering our own abilities and using them to make a positive impact in the world. When we focus on our strengths and leverage them, we unlock true potential and pave the way for a fulfilling journey of personal achievement. Poor question 2. Imagine a world where recruiters come knocking at your virtual door, eager to hire you for your dream job. This can be you with 5-minute career hacks exclusive LinkedIn hacking package. Over 90% of recruiters rely on this platform to make hiring decisions. And guess what else? 75% of people hired last year were discovered right here on LinkedIn. But we get it. You're busy, overwhelmed, and just struggling to find the time to optimize your profile. Let us do the work for you. For a limited time only, sign up today and we can help you break through your career on LinkedIn. Poor question 2. Why do bad things always happen to me? Or who did I piss off in a former life that I have to keep dealing with this? You insert the expletive. Reframe it this way. What challenges did I encounter today and how did I respond to them? Or how can I navigate through challenging situations and just keep growing stronger as a result? Delving into your reactions to obstacles provides valuable insight. Shifting the focus from victim mindset to one of empowerment allows you to take control of your circumstances. By seeking solutions and lessons in challenging situations, you cultivate resilience, you learn from experiences, and ultimately you use those as stepping stones for your own personal growth. This newfound awareness will empower you to overcome future challenges with confidence. Poor question 3. Why do I always make mistakes? Reframe. How can I learn from my mistakes and use those as stepping stones for personal growth? Or what specific steps can I take to achieve my goals more effectively? Extracting lessons from your personal experiences ensures continuous growth. By embracing these insights, you will make better decisions and achieve greater success. Next poor question. Why can't I get motivated? Let's reframe that. What activities or goals align with my passions and values, and how can I cultivate motivation to pursue them? Reflecting on this alignment reveals the compass guiding your decisions. It empowers you to make conscious choices that resonate with your authentic self, unlocking your true brilliance. Poor question next. Why am I not strong enough? Reframe that. In what ways can I build my inner strength and resilience to overcome challenges? Or what emotions did I experience throughout the day today, and what triggered them? By exploring your emotional landscape, you will gain a deeper understanding of yourself and your interactions with others. This awareness fosters healthier relationships and enhances your workplace dynamics. Remember, the key is to shift from negative, self-defeating questions to positive, action-oriented questions that empower you to take steps towards growth, improvement, and self-compassion. Not only does journaling enhance self-awareness, which leads to new ideas, opportunities, and ways of being, but it helps you to create a deep connection with yourself and discover insights that might have remained hidden if you hadn't explored them. So pick up that journal, ask empowering questions, and shine brightly in everything you do. See you next time. I love y'all, and be well.
Now, the 5-minute career hack, we call this hacking. Look at you. You just did it. And you don't have to stop here. Take one step every week and ensure that you are pouring into you and getting closer to your career goals. Yep, see that button down there? Hit subscribe, but don't stop there, because you know what they say, sharing is caring. So take 5 and we'll see you next week.